Hello guys, welcome back to Hang with Charlotte's Web. My name is Charlotte and today we're going to be working here in the kitchen. We are going to take this booth back apart, actually the surround the island or whatever it is around it. And we're going to remove the booth from the kitchen and probably put it back in the schoolroom. We like this booth, but we just don't like what we ended up building there. It's too big, so we're going to put back a small island, and I think it'll give a lot more room and it'll be a lot better. So let's get started. Alright guys, so now I am going to mark off for our island. We are going to leave about 3 feet in between the stove and the cabinets there on the back and the island. So I'm just going to try to get a visual of where it should go and how big it's going to be and all that good stuff. Alright guys, I did not film him building this, but I will walk you through the process. So what he done, he took some 2x4s, and if you noticed, they did not meet. They were not as long as he needed them, but he made it work. We're not going to waste material. He just took a little piece of 2x4 and nailed them together and joined them like that. You won't see this once the siding and the top and stuff is put on this island, so you will not see that. He did the same thing up top here, and he also added in these extra 2x4s as you see there, and that is simply for adding on the top and attaching it. That way he has something to nail to, or attach to I should say. But this is what it's looking like. Alright guys, we're going to wrap this video up here. Please be sure you return for part 2 of this. And if you don't mind, please like and subscribe. It will help my channel to grow. Remember, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Thank you for watching, and have a good night.